Here's the elevator at the Riverview Center South Park. This is a OTIS Gen2 mod done in 2017. Hope you enjoy this video. This part was cut off because Dad swore on camera.
Go up to 12. Let's ring the bell. Series 2 bell.
Oh, it's an cable.
12, 11,
Not every 4. Get one. Nothing lit up.
10.
There you go.
10's the highest we could go.
Really?
12 and 11 are locked.
I don't know. That's fine.
Here are 10.
Now we hold this damn thing here.
Let's go back down. 1. And we'll switch elevators. Basic parking garage elevator. Very fast. Series M2 fixtures. Hands-free ADA code compliant phone. 12 and 11 are locked. Here we are at 1.
Thanks for watching, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and give the video a thumbs up.